Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening date and time settings so you can act immediately. Once there, enable Set Time automatically to let Windows sync the clock, and toggle Set Time Zone automatically if available. This often fixes drift. If those toggles are already on and the time is wrong, make sure you have administrator access and jot down the displayed time and time zone for troubleshooting. Now, proceed to the manual Override when the automatic options fail, so you can set the correct zone yourself. Next, switch off Set Time Zone automatically so you can pick the right zone directly. This is necessary when the auto-detect misidentifies your location. Use the drop-down to select the exact UTC offset and region. For example, choose UTC 0800 Pacific Time because region-specific rules affect daylight saving behavior. Once selected, scroll to synchronize your clock and press Sync Now to force an immediate NTP update. Make sure your internet connection is active. Synchronization won't work offline. To finalize, restart the Windows Time service or simply reboot so the new zone and sync take full effect. If the time still seems off, check your BIOS or UEFI hardware clock because an incorrect firmware clock can override Windows. Also disable any third-party clock utilities that may force different settings. As a troubleshooting tip, run system checks like sfc/scano and ensure Windows Update is current. These steps resolve corrupt system files and time service bugs that block correct time zone application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.